So let's talk a little bit about meltdowns, which is what you just saw in that video. So there's a difference between a meltdown and a temper tantrum. A meltdown is a physical reaction to sensory overload. Like I said, it's that fight or flight response. A person who's having a meltdown is not being intentionally disruptive or violent. It's a survival response. It's fight or flight. That person, for whatever reason, believes that they are in immediate fatal danger, and their internal systems kick in and they jump into action. A temper tantrum, on the other hand, is a verbal or physical manifestation of unpleasant emotions. I have a cookie in my hand. There's a child that wants the cookie. I did not give the child the cookie. Therefore, a temper tantrum. It's intentional in nature. That child is blaming me for not giving them the cookie, used to gain a desired stimulus. I'm not giving them the cookie. The cookie is the desired stimulus. To put it another way, a meltdown is like a flashlight. It's a very broad beam. It's not targeting any one person or thing in particular. It is targeting the whole situation, the whole scenario. A temper tantrum, on the other hand, is like a laser beam. It's targeting you because you have the cookie and you will not give the child the cookie. Let's talk about what do I do when a student, especially a student in a classroom, is having a meltdown. So some do's. Speak calmly and respectfully. The softer you can get your voice and the more pleasant you can get your voice, the less likely it is that this meltdown will escalate. Protect them from bodily harm. Many times during a meltdown, the student or the child could resort to self-harm behaviors, self-injurious behaviors. Within reason, without putting your own safety or anyone else's safety at risk, protect them from bodily harm. If they're banging their head off of a wall, take a pillow, take a sweatshirt, take something soft, and try and slide it in there behind their head so that they're not giving themselves a concussion. A lot of times, the experience of sensory overload is so overwhelming and so painful that a child giving themselves a concussion and focusing on that pain